Hey guys, what's up? New video here. Been a while since I haven't posted. Now I'm here to keep you updated about the car, the work that I've done so far, and where I'm at. It's been a while, a bit difficult, but let me keep you updated on this. So, that's how the car looks like right now. I had some issues with the tires before, like I had to change. So now I have a deep dish wheel with a huge offset. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to go closer. There it is. See, deep dish rim. Tires are Naking AR1. Alright, they're semi-slick tires. Let me get a proper look on that thing for now. There we go. So this is the front view of the car, front sidewise view. I'm gonna call it. That's the profile, not the front, as you can see. Fit properly here. There's a bit of a poke in the fitment over here, over the fender. It's passing like around 2 finger, let's say 2 inch or 3 inches. The guy that sold me the kit told me that there is a way around it. He thinks so. That's the view from the top. Beautiful. I love the way it turned out. I love the way it looks. Next step, I think I'll remove the louver completely. Remove this side louver, I'm not sure. Anyways, I think the guy, when they sold it to me, they sold me the wrong size. They sold me for the 5 to 11 model. This doesn't fit the swingle properly. I had to trim it and do a lot of things if you saw my video, so that I'm going to remove. Planning to change the spoilers maybe later on. This turned out properly bolted and stuff. So now to fit this tire, we had to cut a bit of the body kit on some side for it to be able to turn properly, basically. Now color wise, I'm not so sure if I will keep the black one or I'm planning to go on dark grayish white with a few lines. Like I've seen some GTR from Liberty Walk, what they've done to their car, like on Instagram. Love it. So I might go for that that design and style as well, you know, like they wrap the car and then they airbrush it and then they clear coat it, or just paint, airbrush and clear coat. Might also change my hood, might go for the GT 500 style. I remove that super snake. Anyways, this is like fiberglass, so I might go for a full aluminum hood. Otherwise, check out sick. As you can see, guys, I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. So that's where I'm at right now. Tire wasn't very happy. Planning to change the color of the tires. Might paint them into white. The wheels, the inner portion in white, or I'll go for red and black combination for that one. Now the guy that sold me the body kit told me that I can resurface the wheels for like on the offset, the hub, to try to make it a bit shorter, because I had to use a spacer of UC because of the board pattern, not a spacer adapter, because the PCD was different. Okay. So one thing I wanted to tell you guys now, if you're planning to do this white body kit thing, nobody told me that before. Please, before you start installing it, make sure you have your wheels and tires ready. Then you start cutting, fixing or anything, because it's such a headache. For me, it was such a pain. It took me 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I don't know when was the last time I posted. And with my work, I don't have time, and you need to find them in the market. It's difficult to find because mostly here nobody has this type of white body kit. It's not a culture like in the States or wherever you live, like you will have something like that. Here you need to order them. Cost you minimum $6,000 easy. Yeah, $5,000-$6,000 minimum, and then you have to pay for tires. So believe me, trying to make it on this cheap and on the budget, difficult. Yeah, I mean, we didn't choose the right hobby anyways to be cheap. So far it turned like pretty much the way it turned out. It turned out great. Alright guys, one thing I was saying, if you're planning to do a wide body kit on your car, shirokai, GT, whatever, Shelby, any kind of wide body kit, make sure, as I said before, you do have your tires ready. The mistake I've done, I had my tires, put them, then I saw that there was a huge gap. Let's say I got stressed, if you want to call it stress, or scared, whatever. I was like, oh, people are gonna laugh about me, what is this, I need to change this as soon as possible. Someone was offering me, the guy that sold me the kit was offering me to give me a deal on tires. So I was trying to go on the cheap, I will get it cheaper, I will do this and that. I found the guy that was selling them online, they were the wrong size. But with the rush, because I was not prepared, I got the tires from him at a very amazing price, so cheap. Forged wheel, 2 pieces, but they were 22 and 21. Somehow we find online that we could fit a 21 and 22 on the Mustang, which is true in the back, you can. Anyways, you're gonna cut the body, the fender, the front side, you can. But when you turn the tire, this is another issue. Offset was wrong. It was very positive offset. It's 39 and 50 something, I guess. I can't even remember. I don't even want to think about it. Horrible experience. Ended up having the wheels, have to put double spacers in the front, in the back, just to make them fit right. Defeat the purpose. Just wasted the money on the spacers. They were bloody expensive. And the tires. So now, fast forwards 1 or 2 weeks later, managed to get the wheels with adapters and everything, and this is what I was showing you in the beginning of the video. So please don't do my mistake. Okay, it's costly, I want you to learn from it. It's like a community at the end of the day, we all want to learn together. Alright, that was me checking in. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.